Hello, in this video I want to show you how to configure your Orbi router. And to do this you will need to go to this website 192.168.1.1. Then you can enter your username as well as the password in the pool right here. So let me go with the username. By default it should be admin. And here's the password. You should be able to find it on a sticker that is attached to your Orbi, or if you changed it in the app you might need to reset your device if you can't remember it. So I know mine password, so I'm just gonna enter it like that. Now after you put in correct info, you'll be able to configure your device right here in basic or advanced settings. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.